Windows can fail at any time. Updates break, drives crash, malware strikes, and when that happens, everything on your computer is at risk. The safest protection is a system image backup, a complete snapshot of your Windows system that can be restored in minutes. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up automatic system backup using Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition. You'll learn how to create a monthly full backup, add fast differential backups, run manual backups anytime, and even verify your backup by browsing the image. Best of all, Lazesoft Home Edition is 100% free for home users. Once Lazesoft is installed and open, you begin by choosing the System Backup option. This creates a new system image task that will protect your entire Windows environment, not just files, but also your operating system, installed programs, system settings, and all required boot partitions. One of the most important safety features you'll notice is that Lazesoft automatically detects your system disk and selects all required boot partitions. Lazesoft also automatically chooses a destination drive for your backup. It selects the drive with the most available free space, so you don't have to search for a location or worry about running out of space. You'll also notice that Lazesoft already sets a monthly full backup schedule by default. A full backup creates a complete baseline image of your system. This baseline is the foundation for all future backups. To stay protected between full backups, you can enable differential backups. A differential backup only saves data that has changed since the last full backup. This makes the backup process much faster and reduces storage usage while still keeping your system protected. You never have to wait for the next scheduled backup. If you're about to install updates, drivers, or new software, you can simply use the Backup Now option to create an immediate system image. While the backup is running, Lazesoft safely creates a complete system image. You can simply leave your computer on and let the process finish. After the backup finishes, click Browse Image to check the contents and confirm it worked.